My attempt at making a backfeed breaker, because I was told a backfed breaker would not work right. So here is an experiment to see if it would. What you see is a table saw, a toaster, a sander, a planer, and a heat gun. They're all fed through a 15 amp breaker. And I'm turning them on one at a time. That's the table saw, planer, toaster, sander, and heat gun. That's the breaker in normal position. It just flew. So I just turned off the breaker, turned off the power. Now I'm going to reverse the feed and load lines. And do you think a backfed breaker will blow? A breaker is a thermal. In other words, if it gets too hot, there's too much resistance in it, it will blow. But will it blow if it's backfed? We're fixing to find out. You see me attaching the load side. I'm doing this because I was told by a warehouse electric place that a backfed breaker would not work. Right now I'm putting the load up to the feed of the power. In other words, the breaker is now hooked up backwards. Now the feed is now hooked up to the plug. I gotta tighten this up. I'm doing this in one take so no one can say it was monkeyed with. And for some reason, my microphone in my shop stopped working. I think a squirrel got into it because the wires were chewed. Anyway. Now see, I have power down there by that plug right there. Now I'm table saw, sander, heat gun, toaster, and the planer never turned off. Will it blow? Let's see. Let's just see. Well, 3, 2, 1. It blew. So if anybody ever tells you a backfed breaker will not work proper, they're full of shit. I know I sound like a drunk. You try waking up out of a coma for 3 weeks, paralyzed. I'm a TBI survivor. My cover, you gotta look past. But the rest of me works fine. If you found this informative, please like and subscribe. That's my book, Not a Quitter, on Amazon. At 19, I was on my way to a date. Next thing I knew is 3 weeks later, and I couldn't move the left side of my body. I think I better shut up for now. I think I've said enough. Y'all take care. God bless.